Okay, everybody, time to start the pitches. Everybody's just sitting in the kitchen. You're welcome to take your seats at the audience. How the pitching is going to work? In order to pitch, you are able to fill out the short form that was listed yesterday. And we've chosen the teams to actually jump on stage and showcase their builds. Each of the teams will have 3 minutes to pitch the project on stage. You'll have the timer turned on. I'll be turning it on one by one, so you'll be able to see the time passing. And we'll have a beeper sound once your time runs up. After every single pitch, we'll allow one question from the audience, from the circle team. So you'll have 1 minute to answer your question. Each of you will be able to showcase your presentation on the screen. We've got the HDMI cable and an adapter to USB-C, so you're just jumping on the stage with your computer, you're plugging you in, and as soon as the presentation is up, your time starts running. Now let me list the teams in order of pitching that already arrived. So, the teams to pitch on stage are teams Parallel, NewsFacts, AlsaPay, Quantus Analytica, The World's First Incentive, OmniArt, Talent Ninja, Pulse Protocol Labs, AI Native Studio, Enlighteners, Northwind Labs, Tim Gitmoney, Fresh Credit, JR, and Atlas. So once I ask the team to jump on stage, I'll also tell you which team goes next, so you can be prepared. So I would like to invite Team Parallel to jump on stage, and it's time to start the second day. Team Parallel. Is the team here? Where's Team Parallel?
Are we able to go later in the project? We're just the present, all our equipment.
Okay, you'll go in 5 minutes. Time to get ready. So I'd like to invite the Team NewsFacts to jump on stage. Team NewsFacts. Yes, it's here. Here you go. Tonight and let's
Oh, you can see. Okay, great.
You ready?
Yeah, give me a sec. Let's double check. Okay, yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. So the time starts now.
Okay, so this is NewsFacts, and when you consume news today, like high quality news, you pay a paywall for a newspaper, like New York Times or some other, and you read an article written by a journalist, which could be written by AI, and the journalist based news on people who were actually at the event, took photos, wrote what happened. So we live in an AI age, so that's going away. You can instead of a newspaper, you can have an MCP, and you can pay people who were at the event directly. So this is how it works. A journalist creates a fact, and we have an interface. It's hosted on Cloudflare. So there are a few facts, and these are examples. And then it publishes a fact. The journalist. Okay, this is a new UI. And there's a payout wall for the journalist. So the journalist gets paid in Arc when AI, your Gemini or Claude, whoever uses MCP, when they access the facts of the news, those people get paid directly, so they make the money. So the way it works is a journalist submits the facts, and there's embeddings, and then use case, a buyer uses Gemini CLI or Claude Code or Claude, wherever you can put MCP. And MCP does the search over the news using vector database and picks the news. So in this example, we used, here we can run it. It runs on Arc. This is the wallet of the buyer. So you can see the transactions that it pays to the creators. This is MCP wallet. This is creators wallet. Creators get paid. And when you look what happens, so here's a demo that worked. So here are 4 submitted facts, and they don't even mention drones. So this one talks about quadricopter. This is the remote pilot thing. And then the AI picks the facts and creates the news. Yeah, early here you can see the news. Early in the day, remote pilot was guiding a small aircraft, blah, 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 and it tells you what the sources are. So the idea here is creators get paid, like anyone who took a photo of the drone flying over San Francisco, they took a photo, they submitted it to this creators platform, and when it goes into the news, they get paid. And you can use any AI assistant that supports MCP to get your personalized news that AI system can know information about you. This is basically the new way to consume news, and you'll probably see it in